My dear students, previous video we have discussed on the guiding principles of email writing. In today's video we are going to discuss on the components of email. Most of them must be aware about it, but still I would like to once again brush up the concepts and make you all even more familiar with few of the components. So the first component says from, which is your email address. Since you are a sender now, then from is a sender's email ID. The second component is to, which mentions the recipient's email ID. For example, you want to send an email to Mr. John, then you have to mention Mr. John at gmail.com or whatever Mr. John's email address is, you have to mention in place of to. Then the next component is CC. Now CC is something new. I know you all are very much familiar enough, but still for some of them it might be new. So CC, my dear student, it means carbon copy. Now what is its significance in the role of this email? CC is other individuals receiving the same mail with visible ID. Since you have sent an email to Mr. John, now you want to send an email to 10 other people also. So that time, though the primary recipient is Mr. John and you want to send the email to 10 other people, you can mention their address in CC, that is carbon copy. So the mail will be sent to the 10 other people also, including Mr. John. Now the specification is here, the Mr. John is also going to get the same mail and also the 10 other people, and Mr. John is going to get the email address of all the 10 people to whom you have sent the email, and 10 other people are also going to get the address of each others at Mr. John's as well. So this is the main speciality of to and CC. Then the next component you can see is BCC, that is blind carbon copy. Now you have sent email to Mr. John and 10 other people. Now you want to send email to Mr. Peter also. This is just an example, my dear students, I'm taking. Now you want to send an email to Mr. Peter also, but you do not want your 10 other people and Mr. John to be aware that you have sent email to Mr. Peter. Neither you want Mr. Peter to be aware that you have sent email to Mr. John or 10 other people. That time what you can do is you can add Mr. Peter in blind carbon copy, because the speciality of blind carbon copy is the person is just going to receive an mail. He won't receive any of the other recipients email address. So Mr. Peter won't be getting 10 other people's email address, neither Mr. John's email address, and on the other side the Mr. John or the other 10 people also won't be getting Mr. Peter's email address, because he is mentioned in blind carbon copy. The only thing is email will be sent to Mr. Peter, that's it, without any other recipient's email address. So the next is subject. Subject, as I told you all in the previous video already, it has to be more attractive and catchy enough. And the next is salutation. Again, as I mentioned, it has to be words like dear, respected. Hi you can use only when you're writing an informal email, especially to your close friends. Then is the main body. As the main body will be divided into the three components, that is introduction, matter in detail, and conclusion. Then comes the closing, that is you can add up some good closing statement like soliciting an early reply. Then the next is attachment. There will be an option for an attachment if you want to attach any file from your folder. And then comes this finally the signature line, where sender's name, signature, and other details of contacts can be mentioned. So these are the main components of email, and I hope you all are clear with it. And yes, I'm going to send you all the formats of emails in the Google Classroom. Please go through it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.